Hi everyone, and welcome to Herb Nerd TV. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're talking about milk thistle. Milk thistle is a plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It's native to Europe, but it's now grown all over the world. The active ingredient in milk thistle is silymarin, which has been shown to have a number of health benefits. Milk thistle is a flowering plant that belongs to the daisy family. It's native to Europe, but it's now grown all over the world. The plant has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. The active ingredient in milk thistle is silymarin, which is a complex of flavonoids. Silymarin has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including liver protection, antioxidant activity, and anti-inflammatory effects. Silymarin works by protecting liver cells from damage. It does this by blocking the action of toxins that can damage the liver. Silymarin also helps to regenerate damaged liver cells. In addition, silymarin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which can help to protect the liver from further damage. Milk thistle has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including milk thistle is one of the most well-known liver herbs. It can help to protect the liver from damage caused by toxins, such as alcohol, drugs, and environmental pollutants. Silymarin is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Silymarin has anti-inflammatory effects that can help to reduce inflammation in the liver and throughout the body. Milk thistle may help to improve blood sugar control in people with diabetes. Milk thistle may help to lower cholesterol levels. Milk thistle may help to protect the heart from damage caused by toxins and inflammation. Milk thistle may help to improve skin health by reducing inflammation and promoting cell regeneration. Milk thistle may help to boost the immune system by protecting cells from damage and promoting the production of white blood cells. How to take milk thistle. Milk thistle is available in a variety of forms, including capsules, tablets, and liquid extracts. The recommended dosage of milk thistle varies depending on the form you're taking and your individual needs. It's important to talk to your doctor before taking milk thistle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Milk thistle is generally safe for most people to take. However, some people may experience side effects such as diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience any side effects, stop taking milk thistle and talk to your doctor. Milk thistle is a safe and effective herb that has a number of health benefits. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, milk thistle may be a good option for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about herbs.